Have you heard the term coach home lately, but don't know exactly what it is? Well, keep watching to learn more about what coach homes are. I'll also share with you which communities in Wellen Park have coach homes for sale, both new construction and resales. And we'll also take you inside a coach home to show you what they're all about. Stay tuned. I'm Josh with That Florida Life, helping you live that Florida lifestyle you've been dreaming about. As a top-rated realtor in the area, my goal is to provide you with the best and most enjoyable home buying and relocation experience. And as the top buyer's agent in Venice and Wellen Park, I've helped hundreds of families from all across the country find and build their homes here. So don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or if you just want to talk more about what you are looking for in your Florida dream home. Call, text, or email me anytime. You can also visit our website, thatfloridalife.com, for some of the best and most helpful information all about the area. From real estate to the best restaurants to eat, fun things to do in the area, and so much more. So let's get into it. If you've browsed around lately at homes for sale, especially in Wellen Park, or if you watched our previous video about what you can get in Wellen Park from around $400,000, then you've probably noticed the term coach home. But what exactly is a coach home? I've helped a number of families purchase coach homes in the area. In fact, I've helped a handful just in the last couple of months. So I'm very familiar with what they are, how they are different from other types of homes, and what people really seem to like about them. Basically, a coach home is similar to a villa in the fact that it feels more like an actual home, not a condo, but it shares a wall and a roof with other units. Coach homes come typically in what we call a fourplex or a sixplex building. Each unit is one level. However, there are top floor units and ground floor units to choose from, and usually the floor plans are quite different as well. So in a fourplex building, you would get 2 top floor units and 2 bottom floor units. A sixplex building would have 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. To help give you an idea of what coach homes look and feel like, check out our coach home model tours here on our YouTube channel. And stay tuned because there are some new coach home models that are nearly finished being built right now in several Wellen Park communities. So we'll be adding those model tours to the channel soon, so keep an eye out for those when those come out. There are pros and cons to every style of home. When it comes to coach homes, here are some of the reasons they are appealing. First, they feel more like a home and can be quite large and spacious with different floor plans. Coach homes in Wellen Park can have anywhere between 2 to 3 bedrooms and range from 1,300 square feet all the way up to 2,300 square feet and bigger. That's a fairly good sized home. Most coach homes have 2-car garages, and some even have larger 2+ car garages, for the golf cart. However, some of the smaller coach homes being built will have 1-car garages. Second floor coach homes are quite popular because they tend to be a little bit larger, the ceilings are a little bit higher, and they have fantastic views from their covered and screened-in lanai areas. And some of these lanais are very spacious as well. Another benefit to a coach home is that because you are sharing the building with other units, maintenance is treated similarly to a condo or a villa, where you are only responsible for maintaining the inside of your unit while the HOA handles taking care of the exterior parts of the building. This is a perk for those who want even more of a maintenance-free lifestyle, but also want to have the feel of a larger home. Lastly, coach homes are typically at a lower price point than similar sized single-family homes in these communities, so you can get the space and feel without the extra costs. You'll find coach homes in a number of Wellen Park communities, and even more being built right now. Lakespur is a newer Wellen Park community with amenities that are fully up and running, but there's still quite a bit of building left before the community is finished. Mattamy Homes just released their Coach Home series in Lakespur. I was just out there today meeting with the team to go over their inventory and be one of the first to get a private tour of their new models before they are open to the public. These new construction coach homes will start in the low 400s and could even go under that for some of the first units sold. There are only quick movement options available in here for coach homes. One of the newest communities in Wellen Park is Palmera. It's so new that the amenities are still under construction, but we have already helped some of the first families buy homes in here. There are 6 different builders in here, and Mattamy Homes is building the new Coach Home series in Palmera. These, however, will be 4-plex buildings, and some will have very large floor plans. Prices start in the low 500s and can go up to over $600,000. They also have quick move-ins available coming in March. Wellen Park Golf and Country Club. Wellen Park Golf and Country Club is moving along fast with their Coach Home new construction sales. The Coach Homes here may include golf membership deeded to the property, but they are selling so fast and they are limited. If you are not a golfer but still want to live the resort lifestyle, then there are Coach Home options without golf membership deeded to the home. You may be able to find a resale home in here as well. Coach Homes here start from low 400,000 and go up from there. Many people love their top floor Bay Creek model because it feels so spacious and has an oversized 2-car garage, so you can fit 2 cars plus a golf cart inside. To see this floor plan, make sure to check out our Bay Creek Coach Home model tour on our YouTube channel. If you are open to a resale coach home, then there are currently some great deals to be had in Gran Paradiso. This is a completed community with resort style amenities. Lennar is the builder in here, which is the same builder as Wellen Park Golf and Country Club. So the coach home floor plans here are very similar. Currently you can find resale coach homes in here from the mid to upper 300,000s or just over 400,000. Sarasota National is another completed golf course community with resale coach homes available. The floor plans here are also very spacious, and the community is known for its resort style amenities, expansive nature views, and beautiful wildlife. Resale coach homes in here start from the low 400,000s and they go up from there. If you have any questions or want to talk more about coach homes and see if they might be the right fit for you and your family, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. You can call, text, or email. Also, don't forget to check out our Coach Home model tour videos here on our YouTube channel to get a better feel for all the different floor plans that are being offered. And stay tuned because we will be showcasing some of the new Mattamy Home Coach Home series here soon as they release their new models. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.